Hi Kajal, apart from looking gorgeous,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. It's been really hectic. I've been very busy. But life is great. No complaints.
Cool. So I am sure you might have forgot it, but I'm about to remind you the same thing because my career started with Kajal career because, yeah, the
High
same year,
five. Good.
and I interviewed the first, you were my first heroine who I interviewed.
Yes.
And yeah, I can see the superstar from that time here.
How sweet. But even you've gone places. Congratulations.
Yeah, and first of all, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And every time I come to see you and meet you, it gives me an immense pleasure that I'm talking to
So
Kajal.
sweet.
Okay, but thing is that now we're going to talk about cheating and stuff. Let me tell you, there's so many people actually. When I said I'm going to meet Kajal, they said please convey this message to Kajal. She's doing a film on cheating, and she did a cheating in real life. All of a sudden, without information, without making us mentally prepared, how can she get married?
Mentally prepared.
So, what do you have to say about this?
um, well, what should I say about this? Uh, um, it has been the most joyous phase of my life. I'm really sorry I couldn't prepare everybody too much, but it came as a surprise to me as well. I've known my husband for a very long time now. We've been very good friends. And only during the lockdown we realized that we want to eventually live together. Because if the world is coming to an end, or if there's a pandemic, and if there's one person that I'd rather spend my last days with, or that one person who I want to live with, is my husband. So I think this entire lockdown made us realize that we want to stay together and we want to take the friendship into a new level, and we decided to get married.
Okay. I'm sure you might not know this. Your fans are known as Kajalist.
Yeah,
You know it, no?
I'm aware of it.
So after got married, Kajalist got a bit dull, but they are very happy yesterday because you spoke very nice Telugu, the very sweet Telugu
Thank
yesterday.
you.
Like what is muddu mudduga Telugu.
హౌ స్వీట్ నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను చాలా బాగా తెలియదు నాకు కానీ నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ నా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కొంచెం తక్కువ
Okay,
ఐ హావ్ టు థింక్ టూ మచ్ టు స్పీక్
I understand.
నా బ్రెయిన్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో చాలా ఫాస్ట్ వర్క్ అయింది అండ్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్లో కొంచెం స్లో ఉంది
ఇట్స్ ఓకే, ఏం పర్లేదు. మీరు ఎంత మాట్లాడితే అంత తీసుకెళ్తాను. పీపుల్
సరే
విల్ లవ్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
ఓకే డన్
Okay, you should be frank on this. Have you ever done cheating in school or college?
ఎస్ I cheated for a geography exam. My best friend was roll number 1 and I was always roll number 2. So in school we had according to surnames. So she was Adeshra and I was Agarwal. So AD came first, AG came immediately after. So she would sit in front and she still is, she's a doctor now, she's a brain, okay? Unbelievable. So I used to poke my pencil into her back and I was like, Karish, her name's Karishma. Like, Karish, show me. Put your map little this side, I can't see. And she used to get so angry. She's like, Kajal, behave yourself. And then after the exam, she used to fight with me and say, can you stop it? Because she was a very nerdy sort of a person. And I never studied for the maps. Because I was like, I'm too busy finishing my portion. I have no time to see the maps. So, very last minute. I would only study last minute. And guys, please don't do all this. Like, this is not to encourage you all to study last minute. But that's how I used to be. And I would skip out the maps. And then last minute I would tell her, please show. Where is River Ganga from? Where does it start? Where does it go? Where does Yamuna flow from? Just show me the geography. I can't understand. So that's the only cheating I have done.
But it's a
And
cute-
only for this. Only for maps. Otherwise I used to study.
Oh, great. Did anyone ever dare to cheat Kajal?
Yeah, man. People have.
Oh.
Yeah. Once I was cheated on the streets. I was very upset. I thought that there was this one person who he was carrying a baby and the baby was hurt. So I went running around very close to my house. I went running around trying to organize help for the person, and when I didn't give him money. I tried to organize help. So I called up an NGO and I called up an ambulance to help the child, and he got up and he ran away with the kid. So means the kid was fake and all of that was fake. And then there was a cop standing there and he was like, what, you don't know this? It's normal. And I was so upset. I started crying. I went home and I was like, Mom, can you believe that people are like this? This is what he did. I was helping him and he cheated me, in fact. So yeah, I have been.
Cool. So being an elder sister, have you ever felt the pressure in your real life?
To be an example for my sister?
Yeah.
No. I think I have a internal moral responsibility of my own, but I've never been pressurized by external factors like family or my sister or anyone else has never pressurized me. But I'm hyper responsible myself. So like, and I'm very possessive and very protective of my sister.
Cool. I know it is not planned, but still, I've been seeing a different kind of was after getting married, especially this Ghost web series, which I really loved it.
Thank you.
But I don't know how are you enjoy that smoking like anything you actually smoke?
No. I have bronchitis. I have like major breathing issues. I can't smoke.
Okay.
And even that, even smoking for the shot. First of all, I'm anti-smoking. It's horrible. It's like horrible for your lungs. It's horrible for your skin. It's cancer causing. So why on earth would you do it? Secondly, I genuinely did it just for the character because I personally have bronchitis, asthmatic bronchitis. So even if I'm around somebody who smokes, I will get an allergy reaction and I will have to take my nebulizer. So it's like a massive contrast for me. So this was literally for the shot, and I used to go back home and take my inhalers because I couldn't breathe. So it was hard, but I wanted to try something different.
It is Anu is like similar to the character because very dominating, very dashing and commanding in that series. So how is Anu?
Similar ante, I don't smoke in the film. That was a one-off. But yeah, she is bossy. She is very feisty, and yeah, she's quite dominating, even on her younger brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is on sets being a younger, elder sister and younger brother? So because Vishnu is more known for these pranks and stuff, and you are known to more professional.
No, I was the prankster. I was pretty much the prankster.
Really?
But I think this dominating behavior, little bit of it is there in my real personality. So I was dominating on sets also.
Okay.
But I'm like that. I'm like that in person. If you know me, you know me.
Okay. Now you need to reveal the secret because since you got married, I think other girls can follow this because I have seen you. Like, 2007 was the first meet I met you, and this is 21.
You know me since how many years?
More than 14.
My God. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. So, what's your
So
question?
from the day one, from right till now, you look the same. The same smile, the same skin tone, and the same everything. And so how are you managing it? How you do it?
It's really not easy. People don't just wake up like this. Okay, I don't just get up and look wow. I mean, I have my good days, I have my bad days, but what I can advise is be consistent, have a certain routine, have a discipline. That will take you a long way. And it's not for looks, do it for health. There's a major difference. Beauty and looks and aesthetics will follow. It's a consequence of your good lifestyle. But the most important thing that you need to focus upon is your health. It's more important to be healthy. It's more important to focus on strength. It's more important to focus on a good, clean lifestyle. So that's what I do. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I sleep early on most days, except for when I'm obsessed with social media and I can't sleep. And my husband gets very pissed off with that. And I wake up early and I work out. I try to do at least 5 days of workouts in a week. And I mix my cardio as well as my weight training or Pilates or yoga or whatever. And eat healthy. Cut down your sugar intake, which is it's an irony that I am saying that because I'm obsessed with sugar. But guys, you must cut down on sugar. It's like the worst poison there can be. It's worse than cocaine.
Okay, cool. So since you are a convent film, can you see any action episodes with you?
Unfortunately, not in this film, but the next one I am kicking ass.
Oh. Cool.
Not in this film, no.
So-
Here I'm only the mastermind. Mosakalu is a thriller. It's action thriller, and it's genuinely something very different. I'm sure you guys will really like it. It's a story of a brother and a sister. It's their journey and how they start from scrubs and slums to riches, but what eventually happens because of the cost that they choose to reach those riches. So it's not a moralistic, preachy sort of a film, but it's basically it's a real life story and we've just tried to fictionalize that and show that in our own way.
Cool. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Radio.